solutions.
Okay.
Now, can you tell at which angle the value of tan x becomes under root 3?
With angle
What is the value of tan 30?
and 30
1 by root
1 by
3.
root 3.
Yeah, tan 45.
1 minus
Yeah, tan 60.
root 3.
Yeah, okay. So it becomes tan 60 is equal to root 3. Clear? Hmm?
Yes.
Now, in order to write the principal and general solutions, we write in the form of radians. So now we convert 60 degree into the radians. That is 60 into pi by 180. I told you this method earlier.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am.
Now what's the
Yeah.
answer? What's the answer?
16 and 3
Pi
5
by
by
3.
3.
Yeah. So it becomes tan pi by 3 is equal to root 3. Easy. So value
Yes,
of
ma'am.
x becomes pi by 3. Now listen, this is only not the answer. We have a quadrant also. Okay. In the first quadrant, all values are positive. In the second quadrant, sine theta and cosec theta are positive. In the third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive. Here, cos theta and sec theta are positive. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
हेलो.
हेलो आंटी, हम शानू बोल रहे हैं।
हम्म.
आंटी लक्ष्य है क्या?
यहाँ कोई नहीं है. कौन
आंटी
लक्ष्य?
तो अरे पढ़ के गया।
नहीं नहीं, हाँ चला गया, अभी गया है.
अच्छा सभी गया है।
हम्म. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
क्लियर है देखा. दिस इज पाई बाई
Yes,
2.
ma'am.
दिस इज पाई. दिस इज 2 pi by 3 and this is 2 pi. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. It is 180 degree. It is 270 degree. It is 360 degree. Clear? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tan theta we have to find the for the values tan theta, and the value must be positive. So tan theta and cot theta are positive in the third quadrant. Clear?
Oh,
So
yes, ma'am.
we don't use the 2 pi by 3, because in case of pi by 2 and in case of 2 by 3, they are converted. That means tan theta become cot, sin theta become cos. So we don't use this. We generally prefer for pi and 2 pi for these type of questions. So for the third quadrant, we can also write pi plus theta because it is greater than 180 degree. This quadrant is greater than 180 degree. So we can also write pi plus theta. Clear?
Ma'am, can
Hmm?
you explain again?
When we came to the third quadrant, all the angles are greater than 180 degree. No? Yes. For example,
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
an angle of 200 degree. It is greater than 180 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Definitely.
So we can write pi plus theta in this format. So here we use tan pi plus pi by 3 for the second value. This is the first value. Okay.
Oh,
So
okay,
now
ma'am.
it becomes, take the LCM of 3 pi plus pi. So it becomes tan 4 pi by 3 is equal to under root 3. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So two principal values. Generally, there are two principal values. We have to find two principal values. So principal values are, first answer is pi by 3, second answer is 4 pi by 3. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now Firstly, check it, then you will become a confident.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
Concept is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Now, general solution. I told you earlier before starting the lecture, when we have values for tan theta, we can write it as n pi plus minus 1 to the power n, that is theta. Okay? Hmm?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
N
ma'am.
pi plus theta. Hmm? You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
write it pi plus theta, where n belongs to integers. So now, how will you write the general solution? We write the general solution x is equal to n pi plus the first value which we find, that is pi by 3, and n belongs to integer. In this way we write the answer. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
tally again that answer.
So it would be answer
Hmm? Correct?
yes, I'm correct, ma'am.
Have you noted
Ma'am, why
all
are
these?
we taking only pi by 3? Why not 4 pi by 3?
Because in the general solution we generally prefer the first one, we generally in the first quadrant. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Listen, Hatika, why we remember only the first man who invented anything? Why we don't remember all the persons who are contributing in the same thing? Because the first man is very important. So we prefer for the first value. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Now the second question we have sec x is equal to 2. Clear? Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
So now can you tell me at which angle it becomes 2? Then I will tell you. Firstly, you tell me what's the value of the angle. If you haven't remembered the table, please remember it. Okay?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
the
I will
values.
tell.
Yeah. What's the answer? Can you tell me? You don't know or no? I will tell you.
I'm trying to remember, but I can't actually.
Listen, listen,
Ma'am,
listen.
I guess it's 30 degree.
Listen, listen.
30 of.
Sec theta, sec theta is the inverse of cos theta.
Yes, ma'am.
So, so for cos 30, we have under root 3 by 2. Cos
Oh,
45, 1 by root 2. And cos
cos
60,
60.
we have 1 by 2. So, when we inverse, okay,
Yes,
so it
ma'am.
becomes 1 by 1 by 2. It becomes 2 over here. So, for sec 60 degree, we have 2. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Now, 60 again we can write at pi by 3. 60 into pi by 180. Pi by 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, now it becomes sec pi by 3 is equal to 2. This is the first value. So, first value of x is pi by 3. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, second value, how will we find? We find always the second value using the quadrant.
Quadrant.
Yeah. Now, all are positive,
Yes, ma'am.
and
Positive.
here cos and sec are positive in the fourth quadrant. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, now this whole angle is 2 pi. So, this portion is 2 pi minus theta. This portion is pi plus theta. Please remember it. It will be helpful. This portion is pi
Okay.
minus
So,
theta. It will helpful to you. So it becomes sec of 2 pi minus pi by 3. Easy.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we write sec 6 pi minus pi by 3, which is equal to 2. So sec 5 pi by 3 is equal to 2. So another value of x is 5 pi by 3. I think you understand the concepts now.
Yes, ma'am, I can understand.
So principal values are,
5/3 and 5/3.
yeah, very good. Tomorrow also your lecture will be there at 7:30 because on Wednesday you have the test. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
On Sunday actually I'm also waiting, but I haven't got any message.
No, on Sunday I got some work here.
So
I
so
wanted to
in,
study for
so
the
in this
exam.
so in this test I will not able to help you because all the exercises are not finished. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am. It's okay.
So let's okay. Hmm? Do the
Yes,
test.
ma'am.
Okay? Now principal values. Clear? Now
Okay.
general solution. That's why I have will solving this exercise that at least this one is also done. Now for sec theta and cos theta. Sec theta and cos theta are same. We have the general solutions like this 2 and pi plus theta. Clear? Then n belongs
Yes,
to
ma'am.
z. So it becomes, how will you write? General solution is x is equal to 2n pi plus theta. Theta you will write plus minus pi by 3. Use pi plus minus 4. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So it's easy now.
Yes, ma'am. Easy. I can do it.
Easy. Now I'm going to explain the negative one.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm again clipping. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
These two are the negative ones. Cot x is equal to minus root 3. Now what is the angle? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, 60 degree.
Hmm? What is the angle?
Ma'am, 30 degree.
30 degree.
Yes.
So convert it into pi.
Ma'am, 5/6.
Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
cot, मानसी लेक्चर चल रहा है. लेक्चर है बेटा आज लगातार.
अभी मैं वो पासवर्ड चेंज कर रही हूँ, फिर टेस्ट करो।
नहीं कर पाएंगे अभी हम.
चलो ठीक है, बाय।
Okay. Listen.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
have the positive value of under root 3 for pi by 6. But here in this question it is given as negative. Okay. Now we go for the quadrant. This is positive and this is positive for tan and cot. अभी फोन नंबर ले लीजिए. फोन नंबर ले लीजिए क्योंकि वो लड़की लाइब्रेरी भी गई है, कमरा अंदर से बंद है, अभी 10:30 बजे आएगी. 2000 tan theta and cot theta. Clear?
Yes,
Here
ma'am.
we have the value for negative values. Clear? So we have to go either for this quadrant or for this quadrant where we have the negative values. Okay? And
Okay.
I tell you pi minus theta for that. Hmm?
How
हम
are
उसको
you
कल फोन
telling?
करेंगे, उसका फोन नंबर लिख लीजिए, अभी मैं बात कर लूंगी. अभी अभी कमरा बंद पड़ा है सारा, लाइब्रेरी गई है, अभी रुकेंगी. 10:30 बजे आएगी. 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 10:30 बजे आएगी मैं अभी फोन पे इनसे 9:30 बजे फोन पे बात करूंगी और फोटो भेज दूंगी कमरे की। हाँ बेटा, हम अभी फोन पे तुमसे 9:30 बजे बात करते हैं। आप जाओ घूमा ऊपर, शिखा का रूम पूछ लेना, 2nd फ्लोर, pi minus theta. Okay. Now
Okay, ma'am.
listen, pi minus theta. So we write this in order to get cot minus pi by 3, cot pi minus pi by 6. Then its value becomes minus root 3. See, please note this step. We have the value of cot pi by 6 plus root 3, but in the question it is given as negative. Okay, so for the negative,
Okay.
we convert it by this formula, pi minus theta. So theta is what? Pi by 6. So we write over here. Then its value becomes minus root 3. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm?
Clear. Yes, ma'am.
Now second, here we have negative value. And for there we have 2 pi minus theta. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So we write cot 2 pi minus pi by 6. आनंद मैं इसको दूंगी, आप इसका फोन नंबर ले लीजिए। हाँ, is equal to minus root 3. Clear? So now these are the two principal values. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we solve that. Cos 6 pi minus pi by 6 is equal to minus root 3. Here we have cot 12 pi minus pi by 6 is equal to minus root 3. So we have 5 pi by 6 is equal to minus root 3. And here cot 11 pi by 6 is equal to minus root 3. So we have two principal values, 5 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Now check the answer.
Correct, ma'am.
And for the general solution, we use this formula, n pi plus minus theta. Hatika, I think concept is clear. Now you solve the question number 4 and send me right now.
Okay, I'll do now.
1 मिनट मेरा बात कराइए, भेजिए भेजिए। Hatika, solve it and send to me right now.
Okay, ma'am.
एक second. Hatika, send me.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing, ma'am. I'll send you.
Hmm? Confusion is clear about negative. Hmm? Hmm?
No, I'm clear, ma'am.
Okay. Just make some blocks in your notebook. I think you have booked 8 lectures. Hmm? Or
I
six
guess so, ma'am.
lectures.
8.
Six
It is
lectures
my
or
8,
eight
ma'am.
lectures? You make just 8 blocks, okay, in a diary. And I'm also filling first block, you also fill the first block. Okay. When the
Okay,
second
ma'am.
lecture was done, then fill the second blocks. Clear? So it's easy
Yes,
for
ma'am.
us.
Okay.
And after they are taking this lecture, I will fill the first block. Clear? Because all those 10 lectures are finished. Done, Hitika? I want to finish the
Almost.
exercise.
Yes, ma'am. Almost. Ma'am.
What's the angle? What's the value of the angle?
Ma'am, 30 degree. Yeah, I
Yeah,
mean,
then
pi by
where?
6.
So pi by 6. So then the principal values, what you have find?
That's what I'm finding.
Okay, I'm going to explain you. Listen, it is a little bit tougher one. Okay,
Okay.
cosec x is equal to -2. Okay, see, this is what's the value of the angle? Pi by
Pi by
6.
6, ma'am.
And its value is 2, not -2. And we have to bring the -2. Okay, now we see
Okay.
whether these values are negative. All these values are positive. Here, sine and cosec both are positive. So these are negative in the third and fourth.
Fourth point.
So for the third quadrant, we have pi plus theta. And for the fourth quadrant, we have 2 pi minus theta. So we use two principal values like this. Pi plus pi by 6 cosec is equal to -2. Similarly, cosec 2 pi minus pi by 6. Now it's easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Without these help of quadrant, you can't solve it. Please remember this: pi plus theta over here, 2 pi minus theta over here, and pi minus theta over here. It will help you a lot.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Yeah. So it becomes cosec 7 pi by 6. It becomes cosec 6 to the 12, 11 pi by 6. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
So principal values are 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Now general solution. This is sine theta and cosec theta. So that is n pi plus theta, where n belongs to z. So first value of theta is smaller value, that is n pi plus 7 pi by 6. This is your answer. Okay. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Now I'm shifting to another question. Have you noted?
Yes, ma'am. Noted.
Okay. Clear? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Wait. See, these are equations type questions. One by one, I'm going to explain you. I'm trying to finish. If one or more are left, then I will take them in the next lecture.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Actually, these questions are based on also on the previous exercise. Some formulas are there, but I will tell you in the middle of that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm? So when you finish the previous exercise, then these formulas are clear to you after that. Now listen, we bring this on the right hand side. Okay. Now we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
a formula cos A minus cos B is equal to minus 2 sine A plus B by 2 sine A minus B by 2. This is the formula. Okay. We
Okay,
utilize
ma'am.
this formula over here. Minus 2 sine 4x plus 2x by 2 sine 4x minus 2x by 2. Okay. Hmm? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now what is the answer? Tell me.
6x by 2, ma'am.
That means 3x.
Okay.
Yeah. Here,
Yes,
what is the answer?
x, ma'am.
Yeah. Now listen. How will you find? We put like in this way. 2 sine 3x is equal to 0 or sine x is equal to 0. Okay. So sine 3x is equal to 0. Sine x is equal to 0. Okay, Hitika.
Okay, ma'am.
Now listen. When we have the value of 0, what is the angle?
It's either 0 degree or 90 degree.
Hmm?
It's either 0 degree or 90 degree.
Hmm. Not 90 degree. At 180 degree and 0 degree. Sine 90 is 1 and sine 0 is 0. So we don't use the 0 and sine 180 is 0. Please remember this.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So sine 180 we can also write sine pi is equal to 0. Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
ma'am.
So sine 3x is equal to sine pi. So we can write it as 3x. We not just only write pi, we write n pi. It can be any multiple. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
value of x becomes n pi by 3. Similarly here, sin x is equal to n pi. So value of x is equal to n pi. Sin n pi you can write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So there are two values, n pi by 3 and n pi,
Right.
where n belongs to z. Check the answer.
Correct, ma'am.
Please note it down, then I will shift to question number 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we proceed to question number 6.
1 minute, I'm almost.
Hmm?
No, 1 minute, I just completed. Yes, ma'am, we can proceed now.
Okay. Now here three values are given. Okay. So
Yes,
firstly we
ma'am.
solve these two. Now what is the formula for cos A plus cos B? On that day I will told you to learn them. To cos A plus B
Okay,
by 2. That formulas are actually very useful. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
So using this formula we have 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 cos 3x minus x by 2 minus cos 2x. Easy?
Easy,
Hmm?
ma'am.
Then tell me the answer.
Uh, 2 cos 2x
Yes.
cos x, ma'am.
Hmm.
Minus cos
Now
2x.
we can see that we have a common of cos 2x.
Sorry.
We can take out cos 2x. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we can write in two ways. Cos 2x is equal to 0. 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So when we have the value of cos theta 0, cos 90 is
It's 1
0.
8.
Cos 90 is 0. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So we write cos 2x is equal to cos pi by 2. That is 2x is equal to pi by 2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So x is equal to pi by 4. Clear? But
Yes.
for the cos theta, we have a format 2n plus 1. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
है ना 2n plus 1 या 2n. What's the format? Can you tell me? See and tell me. I'm I'm not going to tell you.
And for cos
2n
2
pi
and pi
plus theta.
plus or
Yeah,
minus y.
yeah.
Okay.
So 2n pi plus pi by 4 it becomes. Hmm?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what's the answer you will written? So this is overall. This is actually written. Listen, don't write this thing. This is
Okay,
pi
ma'am.
by 2. This is pi by 2. So we create 2x is equal to this pi by 2. We write in this way. Okay. Hmm?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So value of x is equal to 2n pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
ma'am.
So if we take it cancel n pi plus pi by 4, or we have to write in form of 2n pi. So we don't cut it. We don't cut it.
Cut it.
So we take common pi by 4 and it becomes 2n pi plus 1. Because when we multiply 2n pi by 4, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then pi by 4, it becomes pi by 2. You can see. Hmm?
Oh, yes, ma'am. So n pi by 2 plus pi by 4, ma'am.
Yeah. Now here cos x is equal to 1. So cos x is equal to 1 by 2. So when it has the value of 1 by 2, that is 60 degree. So pi by 3. Clear? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly, x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. Okay? If you
Okay, ma'am.
don't write this, if you don't write this, you can also write like that. 2x is equal to 2n pi plus minus. No,
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 this
no.
way it's easy.
That was easy. Okay. X is
Yes,
equal
that
to
was easy.
2n plus 1 into pi by 4. Okay, Hitika.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next question. We have different, I think we have different values over here in the next question. Sine and cos both are there. Hmm? Sine
So, yeah,
2x
ma'am.
plus cos x. 1 and 2 questions are left. I will complete them in the tomorrow. I will complete at 7:30. Be ready for that. Okay?
Okay,
Hmm?
ma'am. Okay.
Because 8:30 I have lecture, so I just dropping my interval for you, and I'm taking the classes. Now there's a formula for sine 2x. Do you know this formula? Listen.
2x plus.
2 sine
No,
x
I'm
cos x. Okay?
okay,
This
ma'am.
is a trigonometric formula. 2 sine x cos x plus cos x. Now we take common as cos x. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
It becomes 2 sine x plus 1. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now we again part it. I think you know how you will proceed. Now when it is 0, add pi by 2. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So listen, you just write in this way. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Simply. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So that the value of x is equal to, whenever there is cos theta, we write 2n plus 1 and then pi by 2. Now for here, 2 sin x is equal to minus 1. So sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now it's a tough task, okay, for you.
Yes.
Now again learn. At what angle sine is equal to 1 by 2?
60 degree, ma'am.
Hmm? 30 degree.
30, 30 degree.
30 degree.
Okay.
So 30 into pi by 180. That is pi by 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we have the value of negative. So we go for the quadrant. This is positive, this is positive. This is pi plus theta, and that is 2 pi minus theta. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we have to find the values. So go for this because we don't have to find two values. So we have sine pi plus pi by 6. Okay. Is
Okay,
equal
ma'am.
to minus 1 by 2. So sine 7 pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So here x is equal to what?
X 1 by 2,
For
ma'am.
the
X
sine
1 by 2.
theta n pi plus minus 7 pi by 6.
6.
Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many minutes we have left?
Just few more minutes left.
Mm, okay. two questions are only there, so no problem. Hmm?
Yeah,
If I
ma'am.
leave one question, then you can try it. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Now this is a question consists of secant tan. Clear? Now we have sec square 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Okay. Now listen.
Yes, ma'am.
We have a formula 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This formula I think you know in the trigonometry. Hmm? In the class 10. Hello.
No, ma'am, I know no formula. You have to learn that.
There are three formulas. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, 1 plus tan square theta, sec square theta,
Oh,
1 plus
okay.
cos square theta. Yeah, three
Yeah, ma'am.
formulas are there, three identities are there. So I will use this identity. In place of sec square 2x, we write 1 plus tan square 2x. Because in place of theta, I will take 2x. Okay, so it
Okay, ma'am.
becomes 1 minus tan 2x. We just note it down as it is. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 plus tan square 2x minus 1 plus tan 2x. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
1 and 1 get cancelled. Now we take tan 2x common. It becomes tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we again partition it. Tan 2x is equal to 0. Tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Hmm.
Okay.
So tan 0 is 0. Okay, for 0 degree. So tan 2x is equal to tan 0. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so 2x is equal to n pi plus 0 degree. You have the formula now, n pi plus theta.
Oh, okay,
So
ma'am.
yes, so value of x is equal to n pi by 2. Okay,
Understood,
hmm?
ma'am.
N belongs to z. Now here we have tan 2x is equal to minus 1. Now we know tan pi by 4 is equal to 145 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
So now all are positive, all are positive. Here we have negative, that is pi minus theta. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so we write tan pi by 4 is equal to minus 1, that is pi minus pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. So it becomes tan 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
now listen, we have this equation. Tan 2x is equal to minus 1. Now tan 2x is equal to minus 1. So tan 2x, pen is not working properly. Minus of minus 1, that is we have tan 3 pi by 4. In place of minus 1, we write tan 3 pi by 4. Okay,
Okay.
now listen, very careful. So 2x is equal to n pi plus minus 3 pi by 4. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So x is equal to, we divide by 2, n pi by 2, 3 pi by 8. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
where n belongs to z. This is the answer and this is the answer.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I am giving only you dummy because it may or may not be possible. The last question. Let's see.
Oh,
We have done. Yeah. Hmm?
ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Sin x, sin 3x, sin 5x. Now we take, for example, these two. Okay. Or I will take
Yes,
these
ma'am.
two. So now the formula of sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. This is the formula. Okay, Hitika? I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
I will finish. I am trying my
Yeah,
best.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
2
ma'am.
sin 5x plus 3x by 2, then cos 5x minus 3x by 2.
Two.
So sin x plus 2, that is 8x by 2, that is sin 4x. Okay. And
Yes,
here
ma'am.
x cos x, clear,
3x minus 3x. Okay.
equal to 0. Now what will you do now? Can you tell me? Think for a while. We have to convert cos x into sin x.
Sin x.
Hmm. How will you convert it? By using 90 minus theta. Now how can you do that? Can you think and tell me?
And cos is equal to sine minus 90 degrees.
90 minus theta.
90 minus theta.
Yeah. Or listen, don't go for this because for cos x now I will take here pi by 2 minus theta. So it becomes a problem for you. Okay. So don't
Okay.
go for this. Go for this because I think that then I will get the same values. Or I will go for this and this. Then I will get, I think, sine 3x. So it becomes easy. Okay. So use here
Okay, ma'am.
sin x plus sine 5x firstly, then sine 3x. Then I think we get a common value. Okay. So 2
Yes,
sine,
ma'am.
yes, then I will get the common value. Then it's become easy for us to solve. Yeah.
Yes.
Mm. So it becomes 2 sine 6x by 2, that is 3x. Similarly, 4x by 2, that is 2x plus sine
Plus sine.
3x. Okay. Now you will take common sine 3x. Now 2 cos 2x plus 1. Okay.
Okay,
It's
ma'am.
easy. It's easy.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now 2 or more minutes are left, but I am not going to take. Yeah, Shambhavi. Hello?
So, ma'am, yeah, I wanted to tell you that I won't be able to do class today either.
Uh, we
And
have.
I'll just genuinely like tell you the reason. I just wanted to tell you why. Because this week full, I have exams every single day back to back, and I just didn't want to take like
Listen, listen,
very
listen, listen,
pressured.
listen, Shambhavi. Whether the class will be held or not at 8:30.
No, ma'am. I
Okay,
don't.
okay, okay. You take rest. Okay. You just send me messages. Okay, when you want to take.
Okay, okay,
Okay. You just leave that message on my WhatsApp for the record. Okay.
okay.
Bye. She was too tired because of the test.
Oh, sad.
Yeah. Everybody becomes tired.
Yes.
Now sine 3x, it becomes sine 5. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So 3x is equal to what we write? N pi. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. And 5
Okay.
by
So x is equal to n pi by 3.
5 by 3.
Okay. Now
Okay,
2
ma'am.
cos x is equal to minus 1. Then cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now you find the values. I'm leaving you in order to find the values of minus. In lot of questions I tell you. Okay? Hmm.
Okay.
Or
Yes, ma'am.
I will tell you. Say,
Um, you're putting me in a
listen,
difficult situation right now.
listen. Not a difficult situation. Listen. Generally, the main value is cos x is equal to 1 by 2. When it is 1 by 2?
Uh, when it is 60 degrees.
60 degree. 60 degree. That is pi by 3. Clear? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. We don't write this one. This is a separate one. Okay. Now
Okay,
here
ma'am.
all these values are positive. All these values are positive. Here it is pi minus theta. Here it is pi plus theta. Okay.
Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we go for the first option. Always go for the first option.
Yes. Okay.
So pi minus pi by 3 cos. Okay. So when it becomes pi minus pi by 3, we write it directly as minus 1 by 2 because then we get the value of minus. So cos
Okay.
2 pi by 3. Its value is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay.
Okay.
So here in place of minus 1 by 2, we can write cos 2 pi by 3. So it becomes cos x is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Okay, Hiteka.
Yes, ma'am.
So x is equal to, we have cos theta, that is 2n plus 1 and then 2 pi by 3. Easy. Or there's one
Yes,
more
ma'am.
method. There's one more method. 2n pi plus 2 pi by 3. Easy.